Would you do these things for $1 million? For a whole year, everywhere you go, Rocco, your dog, has to be with you.
Do that.
Guys, you do that, but not the smacking thing?
Is Rocco biting me? Is Rocco smacking me? Is Rocco pissing
Rocco's
on me? Is Rocco
destructive.
killing
Rocco.
me? No. Bro, first of all, his shot collar, I'm shocking him until he acts right. And even above that, bro, do that jump air and stuff. Use my bass in my voice, you know what I mean? It come out. And when I yell at that man, he knows to act right. So I have no worries about that. We could go. We can go. Let's go. We got it. $1 million. Come on.